How's it going everyone? My name is Neon and I'm back with another video on the channel. In today's video we are back with part 2. I've been to Halfords in the last video. If you didn't already know about all that, go check it out in the description down below. Basically my MG ZR, the battery on it completely died. I want to get it ready for a car show, which is actually this month. I forgot to mention in my last video how long I actually left it before the battery died. Yes, it makes sense if I left the car for about a month. I said that I've not driven it in about a month. That was me indicating that I've just not driven it in about a month. The reason why the battery shouldn't have died in the first place, which was a bit weird to me, is the car was literally like the first day I parked it up after dailying it, the second day after that the battery just completely died on me, which was really weird. So it was sat there ever since the battery died. It's really weird, but I just got the battery back from Halfords and they charged it a bit. It's not fully charged, the voltage is quite low on it, but it should be enough to start the car and drive it around for a bit today. So right now we're actually sitting outside the ZR. As you can see, the ZR is sitting right there. It's actually raining, which is weird. It was literally so sunny like a few minutes ago and then the rain just started pouring down. I literally just got out of the car and the rain just stopped. So I mean it was only raining for like a few minutes, which is really weird. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the car first. Well, I'm going to open the bonnet first and everything like that, because there's no point in bringing the battery out just in case it does rain again, and it'll just get on the battery and I don't want that. So we're going to start off by opening the bonnet and getting it ready, putting the battery in, and we'll see what happens. Alright, we meet again, ZR. We meet again. I really need to get a new clip for this. It keeps falling out every time I get one. That's obviously where this goes. And every time I lose it, this just sits here and it's not really good. And it kind of just bounces around when the car's driving. It's horrible. But yeah, a lot has been changed about the car, not just the paint job. I showed that it did get a full respray, but that's not just what was changed with the car. I've also got this strut brace put in as well, and a lot more. And throughout my videos, hopefully I'll be able to tell you exactly what I've done to the car. I've done quite a lot, too much to mention all in one video. Anyway, I'm excited to get the car started. Back to the disgusting boot that I still haven't cleaned yet, by the way, and I'm only getting the spanner this time, so that's all I need. So we'll just place that here for now, and then we'll get the battery, which has got a bit of charge in it apparently now. So, oh, forgot how heavy this is. Let's put this bad boy back in, move this out of the way. I don't want to talk about it, I put the battery in the wrong way. Good thing I never connected it up and I noticed at the last second my hands are dirty again, which means I'm a mechanic. Oh, I'm so nervous, man. Oh, we got a light on the dash. We got the immobilizer light, that's a good sign. Honestly though, I'm so nervous. Now if the car does start, it's going to misfire like mad because it's not been started in a long time. That's what I'm really nervous about. And if you don't already know, in the last video I talked about how she does have a misfiring problem. I think it's the coil packs that need changed, even though they're actually new as well. I've got a lot of new stuff in the car, but for some random reason everything just keeps breaking on me and it's honestly doing my nutting. And a lot of people turn around and say to me, mate, that's MG for you. And you know what? You're probably right. It just sucks how many new coil packs. I'm hoping it's the coil packs though, because if it's not, then I'm hoping it's not a fueling issue, because that is just too expensive and I can't do it. Okay. Oh, please. 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 We got dash lights. Let's do this. Oh no. Oh no, did you hear that? The car actually started. It's so windy right now, so you can probably hardly hear me. And she's running on all 4 cylinders. Let's go! She is alive, but she's got a stuck tappet. Per usual, that's a really big thing on these ZRs. You can probably hear it, it's very loud, the tappet's going like mad. But she's alive! She's back from the dead! Yes! Can we just appreciate how white that wheel is though, and it's been sat for like over a month? It's too windy! That causes for a celebration some Red Bull. I can't believe it! She started and she's actually running really good at the moment. All that's left now is just to take her a drive. I'm so excited. I've not driven Betsy, that's her name, that's the car's name, in a long time now, so I'm so excited. Bye bye Abarth, I'll see you soon. And I need to give the car a wash. There's bird shit everywhere, as usual. Right, I know you're not meant to use these walk-in car washes, but I'm using it because I want to make the most of my day with the ZR. I want the ZR to be cleaned, and I also want to make the most of it because I've only got 1 day's insurance on it at the moment, which costs me a lot of money, by the way. So we're in one of these ones. One of the drive-through ones that you're never supposed to go in. I don't recommend them. It's not that good for your paint, but it does make your car look amazing. Ever since I spent lots of money on a full respray, I promised myself I would never go back in one of these. And yes, I've got a saggy headliner, okay, leave me alone. But I mean, I'm doing it. I'm doing it this once, and this once only. This hurts my soul. Seeing that big thing coming towards me in a second. Oh no! And we're back. I took her for a drive. Obviously got her washed. She's looking a lot better now, but the only thing is that car wash did not wash the front wheels, man. Look at them, they're disgusting. So I need to do that myself later on. But apart from that, oh yes. Oh yes. I never realised how happy this car made me again until I got in it and started driving it. But genuinely, I never understood how happy this car made me until I got in it again. Gotta love the neon YouTube plate though, genuinely. The neon YouTube plate is so dope. Got both my babies next to each other. Oh wow, look at that. I honestly cannot wait to go ahead and take the ZR to the car show this month. It's going to be amazing. And what a good day. So my dad's going to come out, he's going to drive the Abarth, I'm going to be driving the ZR, and we're going to go a drive. This is the first ever time we've done this.